Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of this parcel from Amazon UK. It's new headphone adapters because the old headphone adapter, I pulled the headphones out really fast and it snapped. So let's unbox it right now. And I can't show my label name because obviously you'll try and stalk me. And I hate that. I'm too scared of what might happen. Here they are. They're in the normal Apple packaging. There's two in there. So if I needed two, I could have two. Ooh! Okay, let's open these and see what they feel like. Do they feel different? Ooh, now these feel much better. They feel much thicker and... that's weird that it's got that bit on it covering the connector. I thought it was broken for a minute. But okay, let's open it. I'll get the other one out and it's different. There are two colours. It's nice. You can choose colours. So... Apple headphone adapter usage with iPhone SE and iPhone 7. Most women I've dated, well, not dated, most women I've massaged have a size 7 or 4 or 5. Commonly for women they're 6 or 4 or a 5, which is a bit annoying, but when the toes bend, whoa, they are amazing. Now, I'll stop being weird now, it's a bit, gross talking about girls' feet in the video. So now let's take these pieces of things off so that can come off. And the both covering thing. Let's see how these work with a phone. Okay, let's try these brand new ones, shall we? I've got my headphones already in my drawer. Here are the alien fold-up ones that I got from Amazon last year, 2020. Put these in. Okay, fits. And let's try and see if it works. Well, I'll try them later tonight. And I will let you know if they do work properly. Or I'll try them now.
Camera chooser. Front facing. Button.
They definitely work, which I'm very proud of. It's making a weird buzzing noise, but that's just the sound of the YouTube thing. They work properly, which is really nice. They make sort of a buzzing sound. Yeah, they make a buzzing sound like, which is okay. But then again, it's headphones from Apple, or headphones from the Apple company, and here is the headphone adapters.
Gmail. Now. Iceland.co.uk. VIP.
I had to stop that because it was about to say my full name. Warner. There you go, guys. Oh yeah, you also get an unboxing of Rolling Rosie, which is a baby Fisher-Price toy, which I'm gonna
Early access to the sale. Log into camera chooser back. Button. Stop record.